say Jerry Gallo?
Yes, it did.
Gallo with the G?
That's right.
Jerry Gallo's dead.
I'm aware of that.
Well, I'm not Jerry Gallo. I'm Jerry Callo.
He will not last in prison. He wouldn't even last in my school. Pretty please.
See how this cute kid requesting you to subscribe this channel. Pretty please.
Officers, is there a problem?
Ryan Phillippe is in the leading role. Other attractions are Kate Bosworth, Ving Rhames, Jeffrey Nordling, Charlie Weber, Gabriela Quezada, and Madeleine Guilbot. The movie opens with somebody gives direction to a robbery to the protagonist Miller Graham, who was a locksmith earlier. Miller along with his friend Kevin Reyes attempt the heist but fails, and which leads to the death of Kevin, and Miller is caught by the police and sent to prison for 10 years. The somebody who was giving direction to the robbery is a corrupt cop named Ian Zwick. Miller keeps mum about Zwick fearing the safety of his family.
Who's that? You can trust him.
After 10 years, upon his release, Miller is a worn-out man who tries to rebuild his life by leaving his criminal past, with the help of his old friend Frank. He tries to work his way back into the life of his daughter Lindsay and ex-fiancée Beth, who is now in police. Determined, he is forced to use the skills he has as a gifted locksmith. The story takes a twist when Miller is asked by his former friend Kevin's sister April to rob a local gambling party run by her abusive boss for starting a new life.
Welcome to the world.
I'm her father.
Not for the last 10 years.
Mom told me you were the best.
She did she?
After Kevin died, I didn't have anyone. There was no one there to stop it.
This is our opinion about the film. It's not that good and not that bad kind of film. You can say an average film, like, you have probably seen this same plot a dozen times with different settings and variables.
Man, you told me to never breathe a word, and I didn't.
And I commend you for that. I do. It's just, hey, come on, hey.
Ryan Phillippe portraying the role of Miller. Kate Bosworth is his ex-fiancée, Ving Rhames is his good old friend. As we all know, all of them are capable actors and done their roles very well. Jeffrey Nordling as the corrupt cop Zwick and Charlie Weber as the real estate businessman Garrett Field done impressive jobs.
And who are the players?
Execs. Business types that drive into town just for the game. They're definitely not trouble.
The acting is okay, but mostly it's just a run-of-the-mill kind of movie. Bad cops, good thief, evil real estate guy, escort girls, redemption, revenge, and some lukewarm violence. It's a movie you see to kill time and forget it afterwards.
I can explain.
No, that's a serious question I'm asking, and I need an answer. Are you out of your mind?
Pretty please.